Hi there, I'm Jordan from Norwich Camping Leisure and I'm now beside the new Kampa Frontier Air Pro 400 for 2018. So this is the Air Pro 400, previously known as just the Frontier, which they brought out last year for the first time. It's the 400 because there's also available a 300 version. So the 400 means it is the Ace 400 in the middle, with the Frontier is with the bits on the sides. So you only need 4 meters of straight rail for this 8-meter awning. So this is the Pro material, which is a 300 denier material, and this is all 1-point inflation. So from this point here, you pump up the whole awning as one. So even the extra panels on each end come up all together as one. So really quick and easy when you get on site. So the extra panels on the Frontier at each end of the awning, they do stand alone. So they've got a beam here which is supported as well, so it's not resting against the caravan. This end here we've got a mesh screen and a window on the outside, which you'd use as like your front door probably, or a porch area. And on the other end you'd put your inner tent even, so if someone's wanting to stay over or sleep over, you could put them down that end there. So now in the Frontier Air Pro 400 now, so obviously 4 meters of straight rail, but obviously loads of big space in here, which is about 8 meters. So all these beams are interlocked together with these grey pipes in between, which you can turn off and isolate each beam individually if you find yourself having a problem. On each window we will have curtains, and then obviously you can open all these doors up as well. There is an extra zip on these front 3 panels here, so you can add mesh screens if you wish. Obviously you've got the skylights to allow lots more light in here. And then this end here as well is where your annex is, as well as that end. This end you'd use as your porch areas. You've got a mesh screen on that end with the window on the outside. On this piece here is the same as the other end, so you can zip this open or close. So if you do have a window here, you can still see out. And also if you've got any lockers behind this point here, you can zip this right back to here and get to any plugins or any lockers that you have behind there. So it's really accessible there. And this end we've just got curtains all the way around. Obviously you can open this up completely as well, so if you do have a window behind here, you can look out as well. That completely zips back again, so if you've got any lockers at the bottom of your caravan. But this is the end that you'd hang your inner tent. So if you have got people staying over or you want that extra bedroom, this is where that would go. So the Kampa Frontier models in the 300 and 400, they need between 235 and 250 in height from the floor to your rail height. So if you need to help measuring that, just give us a call. I'm now about to show you the 300 briefly. So this is the Kampa Frontier Air Pro 300. So it's the Ace 300 model in the middle here, which comes out slightly deeper in the middle, and then it's got the 2 annexes sewn on the ends. And this whole thing pumps up as one, so 1-point inflation. From this point here, the whole thing goes up together, just like the Frontier 400. So this is like about a 7-meter awning, but you only need 3 meters of straight rail. So if you do have a small caravan, you can have a massive awning, which really works out really well, as you might want extra space, especially if family are coming. So if you are having extra people sleep over, you'd put your inner tent down on that end, which is an optional extra, and obviously you'd probably use this end as your porchway, so you'd walk in and out of there, or you can obviously walk in and out of these front doors here as well. But all the features as the Frontier 400 is the same as this 300 here. But if you have any more questions or want to see some more photos, check out our website for more details, www.norwichcamping.co.uk.